Guys, look at these insane, crazy queso roasts they're doing, bro.
That must suck.
But right now, I'm in Cannons.
That's a good
I'm Lava Monkey, so I gotta look for them. I'm thinking he's like somewhere up here, so I had to use my route to get up there. Time to be quiet and lock in.
Terry's be screaming for help, now it's not. Because he's always
Yeah, 'cause you love him.
Because he's always 2 steps ahead.
Why?
Bro, Queso needs to follow off Nick Avocado, bro. He needs to be taking notes.
Got him.
What are you saying? Hey, yo.
Nick Avocado notes. Yo, what's a nickel avocado?
What's an avocado?
Are you dumb?
What's an avocado?
Oh, nah. This guy just asked, what is an avocado? Are you fed?
How do you guys not know what an avocado is?
For real, though.
What's an avocado?
It's literally something you eat.
Tell me what's an avocado?
And I haven't tasted it in my opinion. I'm just gonna say it looks weird, but it looks tasty. I wanna say. I mean,
You're an avocado.
by itself, it's literally like guacamole, cause it is.
You're an avocado. Pregnant lady.
God, no! Oh, I mean,
Guys, pregnant ladies are avocados because in the middle there's a big belly.
Your case is the last Amber dude. You're ugly and you're dumb.
You're ugly and you're fat. You're ugly and you're fat.
Oh, yeah, I don't really like him.
oh, bro, I just fell.
That's the last airbender. 360. Get 360 on. Go.
Guys, you like your cheese curd?
I'm trash.
Guys, don't make it cheese. I don't like my cheese curd.
I don't like my Ricky Bird, but I do like my cheesecake.
Your queso's an ugly bender. Queso? Looking at your chair.
No, queso.
Guys,
Queso's the reason they invented double doors.
Bro, when Queso looks in the mirror, the mirror cracks. Help me!
I'm the last not airbender.
Oh, you're fat.
Bro, when Queso jumps, he is a nuke. He jumps up and he's a nuke. He nukes the world. When Queso
No,
jumps.
when he jumps, his mom looks at him.
And saying you are a disappointment.
Yeah. You are a disappointment. Oh, dang.
So Queso is a difference. Yeah, you are Queso. Guys, Queso's a
That's
nuke.
like a 12. Dang, I know you're not talking. You'd be like a 12.7 earthquake.
Bro is built like a 1x1 fighter.
That's really 2024. That's how last minute was your last minute response. It's 2025, idiot! I know you dummy. That's why I said it's so 2024. Are you autistic? Hey, yo. You're autistic. What's autism? Then why are you crippled?
What is up with
What's autism?
Like,
Search
they
it up on
make
Google.
autism.
Search it up on Google.
Just look on Google, you dumb.
What's an avocado? You.
Are you stupid, bro?
Did you
You
know what an
stupid.
avocado was?
How do you not know what an avocado is?
Bro, no, y'all really chill, alright? Y'all really chill. Y'all really chill. I'm gay.
What is wrong with this game? What's wrong?
What? I need a Sigma. What? You're gay.
If I get tagged, I'm gay. Guys, if they tag me, I'm gay.
Oh, I'm finna go chase you down. What is that hitbox?
If I get tagged, I'm gay. Guys,
That crazy hitbox came from MM2, bro.
These 9-year-olds know what they
I
want.
don't know.
Your 14-year-old doesn't.
Yay!
tell me if I run into something.
You submitted. Dang.
That's not
Oh my god.
That's
Thank you. I'm finally back up here.
Don't say sucks. You can't expect me.
Yeah, I'm a kid. I'm not a baby.
This B word is.
Huh?
How is this 9-year-old doing this?
What happened?
What?
I actually am 9, so.
Okay.
Oh, I got his age right, bro.
Oh, I get his age right, bro.
Right.
What? Andrew? I just have skill.
What?
I just have skill. They just. I just have
I hate when this happens, bro.
What? It's just skill.
Help.
Huh?
I'm gonna try it.
I'm stuck, bro.
No!
Right over there.
Why me?